Greetings from USTC360. I'm Melody Way. The passage of the Obama health care plan is one of the hottest issues today. After decades of struggle and years of debate, there are still some 86 million Americans with no health insurance. Those that are fortunate to be covered in existing plans are often underinsured or left with unaffordable deductibles. Others may lack vision or dental care. In 2005, for the first time, Tzu Chi Medical Foundation teamed up with an American relief organization called Remote Area Medical, or RAM for short. Together, they set up free clinics where care is needed most. In Los Angeles, they provided a vital lifeline to the community.
A massive clinic is set up in a sports arena in Los Angeles, California. Outside, people wearing numbered wristbands line up, waiting to be treated.
Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6.
Many of the people standing in line heard about the clinic on the news or by word of mouth. They arrived by the hundreds. Stan Brock, the founder of RAM, refers to the work his organization performs as medical expeditions. The highly mobile, remarkably efficient, one-step healthcare service takes all comers, but just for 1 week.
There are many thousands of people in this town that simply can't access the treatment that they need.
By 2 p.m. on Monday, the last day of RAM, the clinic has served approximately 16,120 people over a 7-day period. Racing against time for days on end has left many of the doctors exhausted. Michael Vitullo is one of them. He volunteers with the General Medical Department at RAM.
I personally have seen about 50 a day, maybe sometimes fewer, sometimes a little more, and people with all types of medical problems. And virtually none of these people that I've seen anyway have had continuing or regular medical care.
Charlie is one of these people. After having a painful infected tooth removed, he decides to take advantage of the one-step medical service by also requesting to do a physical checkup. It turns out that despite not having health insurance or ever having done a physical checkup, Charlie is in good health.
I think he's doing quite well, actually. He had, his tooth pulled, earlier this morning, and there was some blood in his mouth from the particular surgery. But I would say everything else is fine. He's doing okay.
I'm happy. I mean, that's how I feel.
But not everyone is as blessed as Charlie is. Many people come with chronic diseases.
How long has that been going on?
Since I was younger.
Since you were younger? Almost every patient. The young, healthy ones who came in just for a physical exam or a sports physical or something were also here. But the standard patient was somebody that's had a chronic medical condition, most commonly hypertension, adult onset diabetes, asthma, some chronic other medical condition that had either not seen a doctor in quite some time, so their condition is out of control, or couldn't afford to pay for their medications and their condition was out of control.
For these patients, RAM will try to find a free or low-cost clinic to provide follow-up services. Tzu Chi Free Clinic will be one of them.
We try to match them up with the local community clinics or the free clinics so that they can go there and have a follow-up care. We do follow up if they are willing to come to our free clinic.
This is not the first time Tzu Chi has teamed up with RAM.
The mobile go all the way to New Orleans. So we started from Katrina until now. We worked with RAM in Los Angeles, should be last year. Last year is the first time RAM considered to come to Los Angeles.
One thing in particular that Tzu Chi contributes to RAM is traditional Chinese medicine.
How do you feel?
Oh.
Still hurt?
Only a little here. The rest goes good.
The needle separates the tendon from the muscle. Acupuncture works immediately. You can touch her now. She's more relaxed. We usually pat them to improve blood and energy circulation.
Okay.
Okay.
It's done.
Thank you. That felt better. It's so hard to describe the feeling. It almost feels like when I put the needle and everything releases, and you can feel it in your whole body, everywhere.
You go all the way up. What's the rotation?
I wish everybody got more educated and understand Oriental medicine, acupuncture treatments, in order that we're able to help them more.
I don't feel absolutely nothing. I mean, it's amazing.
RAM Los Angeles is a collaboration amongst many organizations. It relies on the goodwill of a variety of agencies.
The Tzu Chi Foundation, who we've worked with before here in Los Angeles and earlier, several years ago in New Orleans on a couple of occasions. So there's a great outpouring and of all of these other agencies that make this such a big and successful event.